Hello and welcome to HW News. Many skeletons are tumbling out from the closet of TV news media as the TRP scam probe by Mumbai police progresses. Already the TRP scam probe revealed how some media channels including Arnab Goswami's Republic TV have been manipulating the television rating points. These TRP ratings help the news channels get advertising. More TRP, more brand preferring the news channel for their advertisement. So while the probe revealed that TRP was indeed being manipulated, later on it also revealed who all were hands in glove in the scam. Last month, it was revealed by police that Partho Das Gupta arrested former CEO of Broadcast Audience Research Council, that is BARC, the agency that carries out this TRP ratings and TRP calculation, in alleged connivance with another ex-senior BARC official and Republic TV editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami manipulated the television rating points or TRPs of Republic TV and its Hindi arm Republic Bharat. Now the police has revealed to the Bombay High Court that they have more evidence in this regard. While the hearing in the TRP scam case was going on in Bombay High Court today, a document was leaked on social media and I dare say it could possibly be the most damning revelation so far. The document that runs for more than 500 pages features an alleged chat between ex-BARC CEO Partho Das Gupta and Republic TV founder and CEO Arnab Goswami. In the conversation, the two allegedly discussed TRP, media, Arnab Goswami's fellow colleagues in the industry, and even the proximity of Goswami to the ruling dispensation. Now, you might remember that around 2010, a major crisis hit Indian media that put several question marks on the role that media plays in the society and what goes behind the curtains. If you haven't guessed already, I'm talking about the Radia tapes controversy. It revealed how lobbying works in the nexus of senior journalists, politicians, and corporate houses. It also served as a precursor to the 2G scam and a stronger checks for the media. Now, this latest revelation and the alleged WhatsApp chats are being termed as the sequel of these Radia tapes. Let's discuss this in today's video, but before that, if you're watching this video on YouTube, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel, and if you're watching this video on Facebook, then please do like our page and share this video to as many people as possible. The detailed chat reveal damning information related to Goswami's proximity with the Prime Minister's office and members of the ruling government, his efforts to manipulate the TRPs in his favor and seek help from the BJP government and much more. In some of these chats, Arnab Goswami is seemingly convincing Partho Das Gupta how he has dominated the news industry since the launch of Republic TV and how his channel should be number one. In other chats, he also refers to his visits to Delhi, names sitting ministers and even Prime Minister's office. In some other chats, he discusses about anchors and journalists and owners of other news channels. In one of the chat messages circulating online, former BARC CEO allegedly sent a confidential BARC letter to Goswami saying that he had jammed the News Broadcasters Association, that is NBA, while Goswami allegedly replied that he might meet the Prime Minister regarding this matter. Now let me read out to you this chat. The screenshot of these WhatsApp chats was shared by so many people including Prashant Bhushan. So let me read out to you what exactly has been written in these WhatsApp chats. In this chat from March 25th, 2019, Partho Das Gupta sent a confidential BARC letter to Arnab Goswami saying that he had jammed NBA. However, he further says that Rajat is going after me. You need to help me through PMO. Have aligned Punit. To this, the reply, allegedly from Arnab Goswami, is noted and will happen. Then Partho Das Gupta further says, read the letter when you can. And Arnab Goswami allegedly says Rajat has no entry. He further goes on to say, Partho Das Gupta further goes on to say that have supported you without saying so and jammed others. Whereas Arnab Goswami says, I am in Delhi tomorrow, may meet PM on Thursday. He also says reading, which I suppose is reading the confidential letter that Partho Das Gupta has sent to Arnab Goswami on the WhatsApp chat. Further on, Partho Das Gupta says, Please ask someone to tell Rajat, NBA, and try to not needle us. Try spreading misinformation that we are not putting out ratings. I helped BJP on that advertiser story too, and MIB on multiple issues. He further says, I helped BJP on that advertiser stories too and MIB on multiple issues. It's time they shaft people who are against them. To this, Arnab Goswami allegedly replies, I shall call you before I take off at 9 am tomorrow or after I land. What is better? So to this, Partho Dasgupta says, I am taking a flight to Paris tonight. And to this, he replies, Arnab Goswami allegedly replies, okay, let me handle this. And then they go on to talk about the timing of this discussion. There is another screenshot flowing of a WhatsApp chat, but this chat is from April 4, 2019. In this particular chat, Partho Dasgupta apparently asks Arnab Goswami, can you help by telling AS to tell Try to pipe down on BARC? To this, Arnab Goswami allegedly replies, I can, and send a message. To this, Partho Dasgupta says that correct, they created further mess by extending and will be a great help. To this, Arnab Goswami further replies that can you give me 3 points why Try action is working against as interest politically. So basically, he is asking Partho Dasgupta to send him 3 points explaining how Try's actions could work against AS politically. To this, Partho Dasgupta says, I hear if they move my passport will be revoked, etc. With channels, and then there is a forwarded message which says, with channels getting blacked out, impact of messaging on TV will reach lesser people and hence diluted impact. So this means, I suppose this is one of the 3 points that he had asked for that was sent by Partho Dasgupta to Arnab Goswami. Now the question here is, who exactly is AS and who is he referring to? It seems from the alleged chats that former BARC CEO Partho Dasgupta is asking Goswami to use his influence with the ruling party leaders to sabotage Try reform to install automatic digital measurement software and replace the manual system of meter installation households. Try had proposed a TRP measurement reform and held an open house. However, many leading TV news channels by viewership opposed the move, citing additional cost of installing software as a reason. Now, the chats also features names of Home Minister Amit Shah, former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley, Smriti Irani, Rajyavardhan Rathore, Prakash Javadekar and PMO itself, and also uses some unsavory comments about them. The leaked chats is available on social media. The Mumbai police itself has not authenticated it, but the document bears a note stating that it is a Panchnama and features name of Kandivali police. There are also signatures of the accused, that is Partho Dasgupta in this case, and of some witnesses. Earlier, Mumbai police remand note alleged that Goswami has given payment in lakhs to Partho Dasgupta from time to time. It also alleged that Dasgupta used this money to procure jewellery and other expensive articles which have already been seized from his residence. This entire episode, however, raises many questions on the influence that TV media has and its proximity to those in power. Today, TV media wields a great power and influence over information and dissemination. It also has fairly easy access to political corridors and the powerful ministers. If these chats are indeed true, then these media persons even have access to PMO. In one of the chats, Arnab allegedly says that all ministers are with us. What do we make out of it? Media is considered fourth pillar of democracy, a watchdog that shows mirror to the government and to the society. However, these revelations make us question the credibility of those running the show in TV media these days. Can we trust them to provide us fair and unbiased, impartial news that helps you, informs you, and make you aware? What do you think about this? Tell us in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. Also, a very small request, unlike most TV news media channels, we are unbiased and we stay true to our words. We believe that showing you truth, showing you what matters to you is our job. And for that, we require your support. We have launched a membership drive on our YouTube channel HW News English. Please click on the join button and become our member. There are 2 levels of membership. The perks and benefits under these 2 levels will be explained to you in the video that is following. Until then, stay tuned to HW News. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying rupees 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying rupees 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.